Actually, I'm going to give you 500 stocks you have to buy now.
This makes me angry. Not her. I think she's cool and you should follow her for other money hacks. But this whole new fad and misinformation that investing in VU is better than learning how to invest and select assets on your own thing. I'm going to make a very important point, so make sure to watch until the end. Don't get me wrong, investing in index funds is better than not investing at all. If you have no clue where to get started yet, go invest in VU. But let's not pretend that this is not oversimplification and that you're leaving a ton of money on the table by not learning the value investing skills that allows you to select the best assets in accordance to your risk tolerance and your financial goals. An index fund is great, but it doesn't give you any control over what you buy and when you buy it. Buying an index fund is like taking the bus. You get on with everyone else and you have to abide by the exact stop locations that the bus chooses. Needless to say, it will take you to your destination much slower than if you were driving your own car. Isn't driving your own car riskier than taking the bus? If you haven't mastered driving, then yes, you're gonna crash and die. But wouldn't you say it is worth learning the skill to drive? Because it'll save you a ton of time over your lifespan and it will give you a lot of control, right? Why is it normal to learn how to drive at 18, but it is not normal to learn how to take control of your own financial future? Our priorities and our education system sucks.